Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, November 2nd, 2023. I'm here at Marina San Pablo, and I'm at Second Wind. I was going to put on zincs for both outdrives. I was able to get two of them on the starboard outdrive, but on the port outdrive, two of the screws are they won't come out. So I'll get a video of them and show you what's going on. It looks like they might have been stripped, and then we'll go ahead and we'll check, or I'll show you the zincs here. So I do have one of the bolts to where we can resize and we can put more in, so we could do that. But so this outdrive's good, that outdrive still needs zincs. Thank you for choosing DS Deck.